right, today is day 59 and I am going to fill the bird feeder with bird food for Simba and Effy. As you can see, they are very excited. Here's Effy girl. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Meow. All right, you go over there. Looks like Simba wants to help me. All right, let me move the chair over and he could help me as I record. So I have a friend who got me this bird feeder. This is the one that you guys see whenever I videotape near their perch by the window. And as you can see, it is empty. So I am going to fill it with some wild bird food. That's right, wild bird food. This is something fun that you could do with your cats. They love to look at birds out the window. Doesn't cost a lot of money to get a bird feeder. I actually want to get one for my back porch because they hang out in that room where their other cat tower is. They hang out in there, and I have a slider, and it's a perfect place for a bird feeder, so I'm going to buy another one pretty soon. Simba is so excited. He's just thrilled. All right, so I'm going to open it up like so. Get my bird food. And I am going to fill it up to the top with bird food. All right, I'm messing it up as you can see, but that's all right. I wanted a bigger opening there for my food. Okay, for the bird food, not my food. I don't eat bird food. Woo! Look at this, guys. Wow, this is gonna be amazing. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. Effy, are you looking at birds out the back window? Hey, Simba, you got another thing coming. If you think you're going on, oh my goodness, look at that. All right, let me finish here doing what I was doing. Yes, very exciting, huh, Simba? Very exciting stuff. All right, I think that's enough for now. Oh, and some bird feed went on the floor and Simba is getting to it. Simba, don't eat that. We don't eat bird food either. We only eat cat food around here. All right, so I'm gonna spread it out. Yes. Make my table nice and pretty. You all see Effy back there? Yes, Effy's hanging out back there. Now she's over here. Okay. Snapped it nice and tight. Then I'm going to move this piece down. I'm going to lift this up so you can see Simba's tail. As you can tell, he's very happy because he knows that he's going to see some birdies pretty soon. All right, so it looks like my bird feeder is ready to go. It is ready to go. So what I am going to do is, hey Effy, what you doing down there? What are you doing down there, girl? I am going to take you on a little ride outside to the porch and see me hang it up for the cats. We don't eat that, Effy. Okay, guys, I'm going to go hang it up, and then pretty soon it's going to be outside. That's right. Let's go. Let's go. Looks like a beautiful day. to hang a bird feeder on my porch. Yes, here we go. Hopefully, I won't hurt myself trying to do this. Wow, what we cat moms do for our cats. Okay, I'm about to hang it up. Hang it up. Did I do it? I did it! Yes! I did it! All right, now let's go back in and see it from the window. Hey Simba, you're going to love this. Come look out your perch, guys. Come look out. Come look out your perch. What do you see? Do you see it? Yay! Oh no. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Simba, do you see your bird feeder? There it is. Mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. Yes. Look how happy he is. All right, guys, you got your bird feeder back. Full of bird food. It's just a matter of time before you see all kind of birdies landing on it. All right. Say thank you to your cat mom, Simba. Would you? Say meow. Effy, are you going to say thank you to your mom? All right, guys. Thank you for joining us today as we've filled the bird feeder. Go do something kind for your pets today. If you're enjoying watching these videos, click the subscribe button and the bell notification button. Hey, Effy girl. What are you doing? Thank you for joining us, and we will see you soon with another episode of Simba and Effy. Meow, people.